Good morning students, this is Junita Mukherjee from SS Public School. Let us do this new chapter which is called measurements. So we will just revise a few things which we have already done it in class 1 itself. So encircle the heavier basket. Which one is the heavier one? Heavier means more weighty. Okay, so this one or this one? Yes, this one will be the most heavier one. So encircle this particular. Now tip the container which can hold more water. This is little bit sharper and it is narrower in the ends, and this one is not narrower. So which one will be holding more water? This one will be more water holding. So tick this one. Okay. This is how we have to complete now. Measuring of different standard units are being already given to you. So this particular span is what we call the hand span. Okay, from here to here we are taking this particular measurement, and this is what we call the hand span. This particular unit from here to here, it is what we call cubit. This is what we call the fingers. Okay, finger span, and this is the palm span. Palm span. This is foot span. Foot span means the length of the foot itself, which is defined by this. I will show you what is the foot span. This is what we call the foot span here. And what is pace? Pace means the difference of the two legs. Okay, the difference of the two legs in between from here to here itself is what we call pace. Okay, this is what we call pace. All these units you have already been studied in the lower classes. So these are not the fixed measurements of our unit which we are using in our day-to-day life. For this we are using different standard units such as meter, centimeter, kilogram, gram, liter, meter, milliliter, decameter, decimeter, just like this. So these are the standard measurements which we are going to start today. Okay, so need of standard units of measurements are very much important because we do not have this different various different arms we have. I have an arm of length of 5 centimeter. Say arm length, this particular palm length as 5 centimeter. Somebody will have 6, somebody will have 7. So it is not fixed to a particular person. So this is the reason why these units are not being taken into consideration. So we are using this measurements for centimeters, meters, and all these things because they are fixed to a particular ratio, and they do not vary from time to time or from person to person. Okay, so Amir measured the edge of the table. The edge measures 6 hand span, but the teacher has told that this measurement to some of the other boy. He told that it is of 6 hand span, and previous boy told 6 hand span. Next boy told it is of 5 hand span. So it is being different. Now standard unit of measurements, we will learn that in a scale there are 100 centimeters. Okay, in a measurement there are 100 equal parts. In each 100 equal parts, 0 to 1 is of 1 centimeter, then from 1 to 2 is of 1 centimeter, and so on. Just like this, which we will do it in the blackboard just now. Now see students, this is meter scale we are considering. Here this is meter scale, it is broken in the middle. Why? Because more values are there. Okay, we cannot write it in the board just now. That is the reason we have broken it in between. Okay, so let it be 0 to 10. Okay, and then 96 to 100 it is there. More longer it is in length. So 1 meter scale here. So 0 to 1 is of 1 centimeter. 1 to 2 is of again 1 centimeter. 1. Just like this, it is increasing. Okay, how to take the measurement from this particular meter scale? You will measure the clock from here to here. It will be of 10 centimeter. Then again measure the clock from 10 to 20, then 30 to 40, and so on. Now we will have a scale also. In the compass box we have a scale. Okay, its measurement is from 0 to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up to 15 or maybe up to 12 it is. So how to measure that particular? Take the pencil and from this particular line to this particular line, make a straight line just like this. Okay, with the dotted pointed lines like this. Okay. So with the pencil, then join this particular line. Okay. If this is the line, you have to make a 5 centimeter line from here 0 to 5. It is of 5 centimeter length. Okay, with the help of pencil. But if you are you need to measure the cloth, you have to use the meter scale. Okay. Then if you are measuring the classroom, the length of this classroom, also you have to need a measure length of the meter scale. Then weight of a height of your friend, you have to take a meter scale again. The height of that height of your 3 friends, who is taller, that will be in measurement. Okay, that is in meters or in centimeters. Okay. Now measuring weight of non-standard units or standard units, measuring weight or using non-standard units as different objects have different weights. Fill in the blanks, one is done for you. So an apple weighs as much as 3 cherries. Okay, an apple weighs as much as 3 cherries. Means 3 cherries, if we 7 cherries, if we put an apple in the same category, the weight of the two things will be same. Okay, the pencil box weight as much as 6 pencils. So 6 pencils, and if we take in one hand and in one this particular measurement box, you know it very well. The standard unit of a measuring box is given what is we call taraju. Okay, or the weighing machine. In the weighing machine, one side if you put the pencil box and one side you can put all the 6 pencils, the weight will be same as that. Okay, so lunch box and many of crayons will be of same. Brinjal and that of onion will be of the weight, same weight. Okay, we can use the standard unit of measurements. Okay, now to measure the accurate weight of a standard unit of measurement, we use G for gram, and it is used for it is also used is lighter than kilogram, and kilogram is a heavier body. We also weight grams in this particular proportion, which is already given in your book as this. Okay, this particular thing is being given in your book. This we have weight for 50 kgs, or for 5 kgs, for 10 kgs, and for 50 grams, for 250 grams, 2 kgs, 1 kgs are available in the market itself to take the weight itself, to take the weight. Now saffron, cardamom, elaichi and curd, then pumpkin, fruits, pulses, all these have the certain type of weights through which we can measure this particular things. Now use your estimation and write whether these things should be weighted in grams or kilograms. So first one I will do it for you. Now first one, just as we will do this one in the blackboard itself. Okay, so let us do that one. Now students, let's see this mental math first particular question. This is in this particular question we have to write down whether this is in gram or in kilogram. The first one is book. Okay, so book will be measured in gram. Atta will be measured in kilogram. Or kg we can write shortly, and g we can write as short. Pumpkin is measured in kg, kilogram, and pencil is measured in gram. Okay, so these are the things we have done. Next question is comparison of weight on the basis of the position of the object in the order of their weight itself, from lighter to heavier. Lighter means ball, leaf, fish and peacock. So the leaf will be the first one, then the ball. Okay, then we have the fish, and then we will have the peacock. Okay, fourth. So 2, 1, 3, 4. From the heavier to the lighter. Heavier to the lighter means this is a card, this is a monitor, this is a book, and this is the pencil box. Which one is heavier? From the heavier to the lighter, card is the heavier. Then what we have? Monitor. Okay. Third we will have book. Okay. And last we will have the pencil. Pencil box. Pencil box in fourth. Okay. Pencil box will be the fourth one. Okay. So this is how we are able to do these things. Now in activity number 141, page number, activity has been given to you. It's a homework for you. Okay, please do it. It's a homework for you. And page number 141. Color the picture of the given objects and write the standard unit used to measure their weight. So measure capacity using non-standard and standard units. We will continue in the next video. Till then, take care and please do the homework. Thank you.